At the bakery. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I would like to buy some bread.
Sure. What kind of bread do you want?
Do you have white bread?
Yes, we do.
How much is it?
One loaf is $2.
Okay, I will take one loaf.
Anything else?
Do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, we have. One loaf is $2.50.
I will take one loaf, please.
Okay. Do you want it sliced?
Yes, please.
Anything else today?
Do you have rolls?
Yes. Small rolls, $1 for 6.
I will take 6 rolls.
Good. 1 white bread, 1 whole wheat bread, and 6 rolls.
Yes.
That is $6 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Card declined in a shop.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What can I get for you?
I would like a loaf of bread, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, 4 chocolate donuts, please.
4 chocolate donuts. Okay.
That's all. Thank you.
All right, I'll scan this.
Okay.
The total is $9.20.
I'll pay by card.
No problem. You can tap your card.
Okay.
It says card declined.
Oh, really? That's strange.
Sometimes it happens. Do you want to try again?
Yes, let me try again.
Go ahead.
Okay.
It still says declined.
That's strange. I have money on the card.
You can try inserting the card and using your PIN.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right. Enter your PIN, please.
One moment.
It's processing now.
Okay.
Yes, it worked this time.
Oh, good.
Sometimes contactless doesn't work.
Yes, that happens.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Lost phone at work. Hi, can I ask you something?
Sure. What's the matter?
I can't find my phone.
Oh, really? When did you last see it?
I think I saw it this morning.
Where were you?
I was in the break room.
Maybe you left it there.
Maybe. I checked my bag, but it's not there.
Did you check your desk?
Yes, I checked my desk and my locker.
Did you try calling it?
Yes, but it is on silent.
That makes it harder.
Yes, I know.
What does your phone look like?
It's black and it has a blue case.
Okay, I will help you look for it.
Thank you. I'm a little worried.
Don't worry, we will find it.
I hope so.
Let's check the break room first.
Good idea.
And maybe ask other people.
Yes, maybe someone saw it.
If we don't find it, you can report it.
Okay. Thank you for helping me.
No problem. Let's go look.
Dinner order. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I would like grilled salmon, please.
I'm very sorry, but we don't have salmon today.
Oh, that's okay. What do you recommend?
The chicken with rice is very popular.
Is it good?
Yes, it is very tasty.
Okay, I will take the chicken with rice.
Very good. Would you like a starter or soup?
Yes. What soups do you have?
We have tomato soup and chicken soup.
Is the tomato soup good?
Yes, I recommend the tomato soup. It is fresh and homemade.
Okay, I will take the tomato soup.
Great choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Perfect. And would you like a dessert later?
What desserts do you have?
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
Is the chocolate cake good?
Yes, it is very popular.
Okay, I will take the chocolate cake.
With cream or without cream?
With cream, please.
So 1 tomato soup, 1 chicken with rice, still water, and chocolate cake with cream.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Delayed flight at the airport. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What's the problem?
My flight is delayed. What should I do?
Let me check. What is your flight number?
It is BA123.
Okay. Yes, your flight is delayed by 2 hours.
2 hours? Oh no!
I'm sorry. Sometimes this happens.
Can I get a new boarding pass?
No, your boarding pass is still valid.
Okay. Can I get something to eat?
Yes, there is a cafe over there.
And what about my luggage?
Your luggage will stay on the plane. Don't worry.
Can I change my flight?
Only if it is very important. Otherwise, you can wait.
Okay, I will wait.
Here is a card with the new boarding time.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is the gate the same?
Yes, the gate is the same.
Thank you. I will wait there.
Good. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
In the restaurant kitchen. Anna, we have a new order.
Okay, chef. What table?
Table 5.
What do they want?
1 chicken salad and 1 tomato soup.
Okay. What should I do first?
First, wash the lettuce.
Okay.
Then cut the tomatoes.
How many tomatoes?
2 tomatoes.
Small pieces?
Yes, small pieces.
What about the chicken?
Cut the chicken into small pieces.
Okay.
Put the chicken in the pan.
With oil?
Yes, a little oil.
How long do I cook it?
About 5 minutes.
Okay. The chicken is ready.
Good. Now mix the salad.
Lettuce, tomatoes, and chicken?
Yes, and add some salt.
Done.
Good. Put it on a plate.
What about the soup?
Heat the tomato soup.
In a pot?
Yes, stir it slowly.
The soup is hot now.
Good. Pour it into a bowl.
Done.
Great. The salad and soup are for table 5.
Table 5. Okay.
Be careful, the soup is hot.
Yes, chef.
Good job.
Thank you.
Accident at work. Calling an ambulance.
Help! Can you come here quickly?
What happened?
Tom had an accident. He fell on the floor.
Oh no. Is he conscious?
Yes, but he is in pain.
Is he bleeding?
Yes, a little. His arm hurts.
Okay, stay calm. Is he breathing?
Yes, he is breathing.
Good. We need to call an ambulance.
Yes, call now.
I'm calling. Stay with him.
Okay.
The ambulance is coming.
Good. He says his arm hurts a lot.
Tell him help is coming.
Tom, the ambulance is on the way.
Is he awake?
Yes, but he is weak.
Don't move him too much.
Okay.
Is he on the floor?
Yes.
Put something soft under his head.
Okay, I will.
Is he cold?
Yes, a little.
Cover him with a jacket.
Done.
Good job. The ambulance will be here soon.
Okay.
Is there a lot of blood?
No, not a lot.
That's good.
He is very quiet.
Talk to him. Keep him awake.
Okay. Tom, stay with us.
Can you hear the ambulance?
Yes, I hear it.
Good. They are here.
Thank you for your help.
You did very well.